train, guys. Dito kami sa train. Yan si Jasper.
Si Walton.
Where's the train? Ang haba, tara naman.
It's 12:30 at night. Tol, may cold dyan, mate.
Gold sa mukha mo, magnanakaw tayo, hindi.
Walang laman yun.
Empty, tara na.
Let's go, sino yung tao na to?
Islington Station. Idol nyo. Uy! Anong oras na, guys? Anong date ngayon?
Only.
Oh, it's Rose.
The last bus, okay?
It's Roseanne's birthday pala, tol.
Only.
Happy birthday, Roseanne. Ikaw naman.
Happy birthday, Roseanne.
Ay! Ilan na age si Roseanne?
I don't know, man.
18, 17?
Pinakuha ko yung shadow natin yun.
I know, guys. Dito kaya, oh.
Oh.
Taxi tayo, tol. Taxi tayo. Wala na ang pera, tataxi pa.
May card na nga, mahal ng card. Uli, nandun pa rin yung train, yo.
Ang haba, guys. Passenger pickup only. 10 minutes. We've been here for an hour. There's still no pickup for us. Monaris. Okay, going inside sub. Islington Station. December 7, Roseanne's birthday. It's 12:40 in the morning, early morning. See? So dark still. No smoking. Lights. Jasper. What's up, buddy?
Hey.
What's up? The Islington Station. That's where we are. Okay, open the door. Going down the stairs. Stairs is stairs. Stairs is stairs. Okay.
Oh, but no, it's like 1.
I'll see you when I see you.
Oh, bye.
Bye.